Building powerful workflows with Salesforce Flow. Salesforce Flow is a no-code tool. It lets users build complex business processes using drag and drop. It's part of the Salesforce platform's automation suite. It includes Process Builder and Workflow Rules, which Salesforce Flow is replacing. There are two main types of flows: screen flows. These require user interaction. They often guide users through specific processes, like entering data or selecting options. Auto-launched flows run in the background. They are triggered by system events, schedules, or other automations. Key components of Salesforce Flow. Before building a workflow, it's important to know the key parts of Salesforce Flow. Elements. These are the building blocks of a flow. Common elements include data, for creating, updating, or deleting Salesforce records. Logic, for decision-making, such as conditions or loops. User interaction, for screens that collect data from users. Steps to build powerful workflows with Salesforce Flow. Define the business process before starting. Clearly define the process you want to automate. In this case, our goal is identify the region of the lead. Choose the right flow type. For this example, we'll use an auto-launched flow triggered by the creation of a new lead record. Step 3. Plan your flows structure. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce Flow is a game changer for businesses. It boosts efficiency and cuts manual tasks. Automating workflows improves accuracy and saves time. It lets your team focus on strategic initiatives.